We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a 595 R-Bath 2019, protected with a Halo Mini Immobiliser and a Halo Track Plus tracking system with remote immobilisation. So the Immobiliser, how it works, if a thief got your key and went to steal the vehicle, it's going to overcrank but not start. So what the customer has to do, ignition on, pop their code in, receive a flash, now turn the ignition off and start. Simple as that, push sequence to drive. This system also has a service mode, so when it goes for a service, put it into service mode and it will allow them to drive the vehicle without a code. With the Halo Track system on top, it allows you to see where the vehicle is at all times, but also with this, we can send a complete lockout command. So if someone's stolen this while it's in service mode, obviously doesn't have a PIN code to drive, or they've seen your push sequence, they've stolen the vehicle with your code, you can send a command and it's no longer going to accept the code. Completely locks them out. We don't get a flash. We'll just show you again. Ignition on, pop our code in, no flash, and the vehicle's not going to start. They're going to be unable to drive it away. This is a complete lockout system using the Halo Track Plus and the Halo Mini Immobiliser. The only way it's going to accept the code is if we go back into our app, give it the command to unlock the vehicle and allow us to drive it. Send the command. Once it's successful, we can turn the ignition on and it's going to now accept our code. We get our flash off and start and we can drive away. So like I said, this is a total lockout. You can do it remotely, whether you put it in service mode to take it to the dealer and it gets stolen off their forecourt, or if you've given someone the code you shouldn't have, they get in, obviously steal your key, they've got your code, they drive it away, you can completely kill the vehicle, stop them from entering that code and they'll be unable to drive it. As soon as you exit the vehicle, normally you get 2 flashes and the system's on. To put this in service mode, how you do it, ignition on, pop your code in, press and hold until we get 5 flashes. The system's now in service mode. So this is going to start without a code, open the door, we get no flash. Fiat can drive it around the workshop and you don't have to worry about handing over the code. When you get it back, same process as before, pop the ignition on, pop your code in and hold on the last button, but this time we'll only get 1 flash. Got our 1 flash, system's now on. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is the Halo Mini, has a push sequence to start the vehicle. As soon as you exit, the system becomes active. Thanks for watching.